How did the early Islamic civilization begin? The Islamic civilization centered around the religion of Islam, which was started by the Prophet Muhammad. Early life. Born in around AD 570, by the age of 6, he was orphaned and was raised by his grandfather and uncle. When he grew up, Muhammad became a trader. At the age of 25, he married a wealthy older woman called Khadija. Muhammad gained social standing as well as wealth. Together, they had 6 children. Becoming a prophet. In 610, Muhammad described how he had been visited by the angel Gabriel and given a revelation from Allah, God. The angel told him that he was to be a messenger of God. This was the first of many messages Muhammad is said to have received directly from God. Islam. He began to preach this message in his hometown of Mecca in about 613. Soon, a new religion called Islam was founded. Islam means submission to God. Its followers were called Muslims or sometimes Moors. According to Islam, there was only one God, Allah, and Muhammad was his prophet. Muslims were commanded to be generous and kind, helping the poor and needy. This was a way of showing God how thankful they were for the good things in their lives. Not everyone was convinced by this new religion. The Arabs already had lots of gods, and these gods were easily angered. They feared that Muhammad and his followers would begin destroying holy places dedicated to these other gods. People also criticized Muhammad himself, saying he was greedy. The birth of a civilization. No longer welcome in Mecca, on 24th September 622, Muhammad and his followers moved to the nearby city of Medina. This is the official starting date of the history of Islam. The religion spread quickly along the Silk Road, aided by religious leaders called imams who went on missionary journeys to convert people to Islam. From Spain to India, the Middle East to North Africa, people were united by common beliefs and a shared way of life. This was no longer just a religion, but a civilization.